Hi, you're watching Hodgepodge. My name is PJ Sweeney. I play drums for Phantom Chemistry, and this is my gear review. I mostly use an Orange County Drums and Percussion drum set. I have one Tama floor tom that's nice and deep. I use a bronze pearl snare drum, all different kinds of stands. 99% of my cymbals are Zildjain A customs. I have a little pasty over there, a couple stacks, 2 floor toms, 2 rack toms, side snare with a little splash on there to give it an electronic effect. I got a couple rhythm blocks, a cowbell, some chimes, an electronic pad that I use once in a while, a double DW5000 kick pedal, and a PDP hi-hat clutch. When I record, I use Sennheiser microphones and a Shure Beta 58, and I think that covers my set.